Hey guys, Gary Dean, detailjuice.com, and all the other crap that I do. I'm just shooting a quick video for you guys to show you how to make a really simple homemade sanitizer. Now, acquiring the materials for this is going to be the toughest part. You cannot get isopropyl alcohol right now very easily, but if you can pick some up or if you have some, I want to show you how to do this on your own. And here we go. I keep isopropyl alcohol in my garage because I like to wipe down panels with it occasionally to remove polishing oils and whatever else. I play around with this with several other things, but I always keep it on hand. My wife keeps it on hand for just random stuff around the house. But you see that I've got 91% isopropyl alcohol here. This is the Equate Walmart version. So in order to make this, we just Googled recipes for it, and we were able to find aloe vera gel at Target. That's their brand. And then I've got just an empty container of sanitizer that I keep in my work van. I have already made some right here, and I'm going to make more, but this is how you do it. So I'll just take the top off of that. The recipe that we found is supposed to be some kind of official recipe. And basically it is 1 part isopropyl alcohol to 2 parts. That looks about right to me. To 2 parts aloe vera gel. So that's about 1/3 in there, and then you basically just squeeze the aloe vera gel in there until it fills up. Sorry. It's hard holding this camera and doing this with one hand. So the gel basically suspends the alcohol in it so that you're getting, what is it, vitamin E they're bragging about on this thing. This one doesn't, but one of my other ones does brag about what kind of vitamins and whatnot. All right, so I filled it up. Now you just put the lid back on it, just like that, and then shake it really well. And it will go together. You got to shake it quite a bit, or you'll get these little bubbles in there, and it's like curdled up. It's not quite the consistency you want. So you just shake it, and you can see the little bubbles in there. Basically shake it until you get really, really, really little bubbles. So there you go, guys. That's a full-on. Who approved this? Is it
Tony approved? Yes.
No, you found the recipe, but it was approved by what? The government approved?
Yes, government, as long as it's more than 62% alcohol. Sorry guys, I'm folding laundry. As long as it's more than 62% alcohol, it is approved by the CDC.
Okay. That's where we're at. It's a little gel. Looks awesome. Feels awesome. Smells like it's supposed to. And like I said, this was one of the government CDC approved recipes, and it's very simple. 1 part isopropyl alcohol, the highest percentage you could get, I think, is 99%. This came from Walmart. It's 91%. And then this is aloe vera gel. So 2 parts aloe vera gel, 1 part isopropyl alcohol, or if you want to say 66% aloe vera gel, 33% isopropyl alcohol. Either way, the higher the percentage of alcohol, the better. I would compensate if you've got like 50% alcohol or whatever. I would compensate by using more alcohol and less aloe vera gel. But this is the combo that was recommended to us. We were fortunate enough to have this already, and we did find that at Target. And that makes this, and if you need some for your family, You can try to find this stuff if you can't find it already made, and they are absolutely price gouging right now for this stuff. We've had the local Publix, I think it was an 8-ounce bottle we had to pay $5 or $6 for. So.
Oh, and also if you can find witch hazel, because witch hazel is also had so much alcohol in it, you could use that
Yep,
too.
look into witch hazel or find isopropyl alcohol at some percentage, and you should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped somebody. It's not complicated. I want you guys to be able to protect yourselves and clean yourselves. It's very important. I know for myself, we have 4 kids in the house, and they go to different schools. I know that's not an issue right now, but they have different parents, so they're going to the other parents' houses or coming back over here. We got to make sure we clean everything up. So I hope this helps somebody. And if you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching. And again, I really hope this helps some of you guys out there who need some hand sanitizer. Have a great day.